Guys, we are PvP. PvP man face reveal. Bro ugly. Bro is chopped as hell. Today we're gonna PvP, not just PvP.
PvP?
We're gonna play we're gonna play too, like friends, because we are cousins, not friends. No, chill. Ouch. Ouch.
Wait lang.
Archer. Oh my god. I can't missing.
Aim like,
Aim like
Aim like Eggchan and Paddock. Pero wala akong arrows.
aray mo, paka. Aray ko.
Alam mo
Let's play. Ano yun? Nasa ground ka. Yay. Your knockback cannot work on me. Bakit wala kang totem?
Ito kong face mo. Ouch.
Come here, I love you. Come here. Oh, wait. I am bad at aiming. May technique ako eh. Kapag ipupull out mo yung knockback sword mo,
Hindi ito
magsishield. Ha?
Hindi ito knockback mo daw ako stone.
What the?
Yan yung binigay mo sa akin.
Yung ult! Yung alt! Yung alt! Long alt.
Saan kayo napasok nyo?
Hindi ko po alam. Baka po nasa mga June.
John.
Baka June 8 po.
Yan! Malapit na. Gusto mo na pumasok?
Ayaw po.
Okay. No, don't damage Bob.
Ha?
Ha?
Bob? Where is Bob? No, Bob! He died? Bye-bye.
Hindi yung pinatay mo si Bob. Don't kill Bob. Bob is
Don't mind me, I am just regearing.
ano kaya yung ginagawa niyo sa
Easy lang.
Sisa? Bakit yung sisa?
Mas mabilis pa ako kay render distance. Oh, wala na yung render. No, wala nang rain.
Bakit may wither spell pa nun?
Nagpa-fight ako ng wither kanina.